Hi everybody. I'm just sitting in my living room contemplating life and thinking of each and every one of you. Especially I was thinking of the little people in my life and little Lucien, of course, is very sick with cancer, and I just pray to God for him and his family all the time. And for Daphne, of course, and her family, and for so many. You know, looking at somebody in their life, you can't see that anything is going on with them. Usually people have a smile and a hi and how are you and things like that, a little chit chat. But when you think about it, a lot of those people have really big issues they're dealing with. They're not going to say, spill their guts out to you when you're not really that close with them. But you can bet there's something going on in their lives that's, providing some sort of a struggle for them, or, they maybe just don't know which way to turn. There's so many different issues because everybody has their own struggle in life. So, let's bring back the smile and the lend the helping hand and how are you, and actually mean it and stand there to listen. Because people are all going through something, and it's just good to have somebody to talk to. Some people don't have anybody on earth, if you can imagine. So just be there, be attentive, and offer your feel-good wishes or your prayers of however you take care of those things. Offer those prayers of love for your friends and for the strangers even in your life, for your own family, because at some point or another, it'll be you going through those struggles, and you'll be wishing that someone had stopped and take the time for you and had prayed for you. So have a wonderful day. Be blessed where you are on this earth today. I love you.